Today's show's all about being random. Whoops. Let's talk about boring. Boring is really just the absence of randomness. Really? Really? People wear these? I can't even talk with this on. So if all you need to do to build a great Scratch game is make something random, you'd see lots of games like this. So the plan's changed. I've got to go to Rockland right now and teach because one of the teachers got sick. And yeah, I gotta find a bathroom. That was a longer drive than I expected. So whenever you see senior citizens, you know there's a casino near. Before video games, they had slot machines. You see, playing video games is enjoyable because it releases dopamine. But video games are not the only way to get that dopamine rush. So what is dopamine?
It's often referred to as the pleasure chemical.
I think a lot of you think this is just an excuse for me to go spend all of Hackington's money at the casino. I'm gonna need some money. My bank. First thing they do is make you park very far away. Casinos are a big deal, and gaming is a big deal, especially for retired people who want that chance to win. And who is at the forefront? IGT, a gaming company. Yes, you can get a coding job with IGT building video games for casinos. Yeah, I'll tell them right now. Kids, don't build gambling games. It's not okay. Build video games about other things. There, let them know. That place was awful. I smell terrible. I smell like smoke. Obviously, I had to go there and check it out and see if I was inspired to build a Scratch game. Michael, even though I spent your entire paycheck. So for tonight's Scratch Club with my students, I'm going to show them how to build a working slot machine. And I'm going to make that slot machine have that same feeling like, oh, I'm going to win. Oh, I lost. I want to play again. Because that's going to give them that dopamine rush. My Scratch show's about to start. I'm going to show everybody the slot machine. I hope you join Hackingtons and come join the show. Every Wednesday at 7 p.m. I do my Scratch show. That's in addition to actual lessons and learning to code at Hackingtons. Anyways, I gotta go. So let's stop being boring.